Hi, today I want to make an electric toothbrush. Unlike ordinary toothbrush, it runs on electricity. For that, I am using this DC motor. We have to install the brush on it to make an electric toothbrush. Removing the chuck and installing the brush. We need some power to drive this motor. Powering this motor with 12-volt battery. So here's the motor. Apply some toothpaste. We are ready to go. It's like cutting my teeth. I need something more powerful. Now remove the previous brush and install this new metal brush.
That's evil, man.
Here we go. Never ever do this, otherwise you will regret for the rest of your life.